Are you looking for a plant that is absolutely stunning, almost impossible to kill, and even purifies the air while you sleep? Then you need to know about the snake plant.
Hey everyone, and welcome back to Leave It to Me. In this video, we're diving into everything you need to know to keep this incredible plant thriving.
Let's get into it. First, let's meet the family. Sansevieria isn't just one plant. The most classic is the Laurentii with its yellow edges. The Xylanica is its all-green cousin. The moonshine has its incredible pale silvery color. And the cylindrica looks like a work of modern art. No matter which one you have, the care is pretty much the same. Snake plants are famous for surviving in low light, and it's true, they will tolerate it. But the secret is, they love bright, indirect light. That's where they'll truly thrive and grow. But be careful. Keep them out of direct, scorching sun because it can burn their leaves.
Now for the most important rule. The number one and maybe the only way to kill a snake plant is by overwatering it. Why? Because they're succulents. They store water in their leaves and their roots rot very easily in wet soil. The golden rule is simple. Wait for the soil to become 100% bone dry and then water it thoroughly.
To prevent that deadly overwatering, you need the right soil. Use a fast draining mix like a cactus or a succulent soil. Why? It allows water to flow through quickly and lets the roots breathe. A terracotta pot is also a great choice because it helps the soil dry out faster.
Here's a pro tip to keep your snake plant extra happy. Wipe down the leaves every few months. Why? Dust can block light and clog the pores the plant uses to breathe. A quick wipe keeps them healthy and looking their best. And don't forget, the snake plant is an air-purifying superstar. The famous NASA Clean Air study showed it can filter toxins from the air, making your home healthier. So there you have it, the amazing snake plant. Just give it bright, indirect light and forget to water it often, and it will be one of the happiest plants in your home. What kind of Sansevieria do you have? Let me know in the comments. If you found this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. For everything else, you know what to do. Just leave it to me.